Hi everyone, just want to do a quick review on this air purifier that we received. So the name is VEWIOR, VEWIOR. I'm not sure how to say that, but it doesn't matter because this thing is awesome. We had it for about a week now, and we feel we feel like we notice a difference. The sleeping quality is better. So first off, when you get this out of the box, you're going to unscrew the bottom that has a filter. It's going to be covered in plastic. It's going to have the user manual in there, as well as the power cord right here. So you're just going to screw that, and then it's basically a plug and play. It's pretty simple. So this is by far the best air purifier we have, for a couple reasons. It's on the highest setting in the fan, and it's very low. The quality, if you could hear, the noise quality is very, very low, so it lets you sleep no problem. The best thing that we like about it is on the top right here is essential oil tray, and so we got the air purifier, and then now we have the essential oil all in one, so you can't beat that. We feel like the sleep quality is just better with using both, and we started using essential oils, and it's fabulous. So this also has a reset button, so it'll let you know when the filter needs to be reset, changed. So that's pretty good, because not many come with that. Next thing is a night light. It has two modes. The low one is actually great at night. When the light's off, it gives a cool little vibe, just a little bit light, so you're not in complete darkness, but also lets you sleep. So I would definitely recommend. It comes with the H13 True HEPA air filter, high clean air delivery rate, 3-stage filtration system, 2-stage night light, essential oil tray, and it's low noise. If you're looking for an air purifier and you are a fan of the essential oils and you want a better night's sleep, definitely go with this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.